Hi all, welcome to Madraasi kitchen. Today we are going to see how to prepare scrambled fish egg or fish egg burji. This can be served as a side dish for lunch and also chapati. Kids like it as it melts in the mouth. Ingredients are onions, fish egg. I have cleaned and chopped them into pieces. Salt, mustard and split black gram, red chilli powder, oil, curry leaves, ginger garlic paste, cumin powder and turmeric powder. Heat oil in a kadai. Mustard and split black gram. Curry leaves. Onions. Ginger garlic paste. Turmeric powder, chili powder, cumin powder, add the fish eggs, salt, keep on mixing them so that it would get scrambled well. Scrambled fish egg is ready to serve.
Do like and subscribe with us for more videos.